friends, my name is Arya. Welcome to my show. Let me gelatin at home. You need apple juice, gelatin powder, food colors, bowl and spoon. First, you have to put the apple juice. Put the apple juice, now put in the food color. Now the powder. Warm apple juice and you can microwave for some time. Colors, now gelatin made. First I have to wait for 2 hours in the fridge. Fridge for like 2 hours. Happens firm. Put your knife and cut it down to cubes. Cubes are ready. Jelly is made. Now make more colors. Make gelatin with the colors green, blue, yellow, red. A nice gelatin is made. I'm going to show you how to make fruits pudding. You need cold milk, some fruits for decoration, and pudding mix and whisk. Starting to make it. Pudding is done, and now we have to put in the fridge for half an hour, and then my pudding is going to be made. I'm going to show you some apple snacks. You need apple and yogurt. I'm going to do some rainbow sprinkles. Sweets are ready. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the show. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.